Hello, I'm Scott Deron, cardiologist here at St. Joe's Cardiology. And I wanted to tell you about a new product we have in the service line available for our patients, which we've been very happy with. We've trialed this and are exceedingly happy with this new line of assessment for our patients, and this may be an option for your patients as well. It's essentially our Holter monitor system and our event monitoring system. So very simply, the Holter is available to be on a belt, standard leads attached to the patient, 24, 48, 72, and 96 hours. We can do stat reads on this 1 hour after the 24-hour interval is up, so we can get results to you right away. If you're interested in these on a patient, if we hear from you and can see the patient by 2 o'clock, this could be put on all the same day. So this is a very simple, straightforward technology. This same company, which is Medicomp, and I'll tell you in a moment why we, after looking at all the different companies, have decided on working with them. Their event monitor is actually really very simple, nice technology that one does not need landline, one does not need to be actively involved in submitting rhythm problems by pushing a button, because it happens all behind the scene. And it happens wirelessly. So we have basically a symptom button if patients do want to indicate that they're having a symptom. This unit attaches to standard leads. This can be worn as a pendant during the day. We don't want folks to wear the pendants at night, and it goes on a belt clip for daytime use as well. But this is essentially a cell phone technology which has within it a very impressive algorithm, which is quite remarkable in the sense that this is the only company that's able to do definitive P-wave analysis as well as rate, QRS morphology, and rhythm analysis. And it does so with uncompressed data. Some of these companies compress the data because data storage is a key piece with this. This company actually looks at the data on high fidelity tracings before it's compressed. So it's a industry leader. And actually, when compared, the gold standard is comparison to the MIT and the American Heart Association database. They had 99% for accuracy and 99% for sensitivity. So that's really terrific. And the other benefit is it's just simple for the patient. They just clip this cell phone technology on their belt. It happens all without them having to do anything. If there are key rhythm disturbances, we are contacted immediately. We have the patient contacted by us if there is a major arrhythmic issue, and we can be right on the phone with them. The Holter monitor is particularly good if folks are having symptoms that are short-lived and happening on nearly a daily basis, and you think you're going to be able to capture it within 24 to 96 hours. If their symptoms, however, are less frequent, that's where the event technology is substantially better. And this is very straightforward to compare to a lot of the systems that are out there. This is easy on. We apply it here in the cardiology department. If we hear, as I said, by 2 o'clock, if we can see the patient, we can get that put on the same day. For the typical 30-day event monitor, the patient gets it in this nice, simple little pouch, and when they're all done, they get a big envelope. Everything gets put into the pouch, and they stick it in the mailbox, and they're done. The other reason to consider events is that a recent article in the New England Journal of Medicine showed the more monitoring we do, the more rhythm problems we find. And in that article, in particular, in folks with cryptogenic stroke, we were able to find more rhythm disturbances and a plausible explanation for stroke, and we're able to intervene on those folks sooner. So contact information, our person to help get the patient whatever technology they need is Tylee with a T. She works down in our cath lab, and her number is 907-3273. There's also a DVD available if you'd like to watch from the company that gives you more feedback, background on these devices. So it's available if you need it here at St. Joe's Cardiology. Thank you for your time.